Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore the Zapier Booking Lifecycle Event trigger and see how to automate the status updates within your workflow for complete visibility across the meeting journey. To begin, let's head over to the account integration page, and under automation, we have Zapier. Now, our Zapier account is already integrated. So, next step, let's select the application where we will be passing the data. For the video, I'm using Google Sheet. Next, from the list of triggers and actions that are available, we will select Organize OnceHub bookings by creating rows in Google Sheet. So all I need to do is click Add Zap, and at this stage, you will see the Zapier page is being prepared, and the automation already has the booking lifecycle event in place, and it is automating the setup for my OnceHub account, where the account is already in place, and it is pulling up the data for the test booking. So we can go ahead and click on continue. And here we have one of the most recent booking of status updates, which is in the records for test purpose. Next, if we go ahead and click on continue, you will see the Google Sheet setup is done automatically. It selected the Google Sheet and the account. Next, when I click on continue, here comes the configuration part. I just need to go ahead and select the relevant drive, relevant spreadsheet, and the relevant worksheet. If I have multiple spreadsheets or worksheets, they will be available in the dropdown. Now, since I'm using Google Sheet, these are the options that are available. For the relevant applications that you will be using, you will have your specific steps there. Now, the booking lifecycle event has all the booking status in it. So, for example, from the moment the booking is scheduled to completed, and in between, be it a cancellation or rescheduled meeting or a reassignment, all of those events will trigger a Zap for this. And all of the relevant data is available to be mapped. But to keep things simple, I'm just mapping some of the basic data. Let's say the contact name, then comes email, then meeting date and time, let's say booking owner's time, then comes the status. So there will be the booking status here. Then I do have the option to grab the owner's ID or the email. I'll just go ahead and select the host by the email here. Then let's say the location. So you can include both physical and location options. Whichever location is being selected, it will go ahead and include that there, the virtual or physical location there. So I can go ahead and click on continue. Now, at this stage, it is processing the data that we have for the record for test. Once I click on test step, it should go ahead and send the data to the relevant application. So in this case, it is Google Sheet. So let's head over there. Now here we do see that the name, the email, the date and time, and all the relevant information has been successfully passed. So since it is the booking lifecycle trigger, I had the most recent record was for a scheduled meeting. Now, whenever there is, like, for example, it is the meeting has been scheduled, if it is being canceled or rescheduled, each time throughout the journey of the meeting, all changes to the status will trigger a Zap and pass the information here. So once we are satisfied that the data is being successfully passed, let's head back and click on publish. And there you go. You have your booking lifecycle event trigger all set. And whenever there's a booking schedule and subsequent updates to the status of any meeting, it will send a Zap to the relevant application. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.